How to choose a character or operator in Blood Strike. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today we are learning how you can easily choose the right character or operator in the game. First of all, launch open your Blood Strike game on your device and wait until you reach the main lobby page. From the lobby screen, go to the striker button at the bottom left and tap on it. You'll then be able to see the striker tab from where you can choose your striker or your character. Select the character you'd like to use and then click on the favorite button in yellow at the bottom. Before picking the character, make sure to check each character's abilities. You'll be able to see the skills of the character on the right-hand corner. Pick based on how you like to play. If you want an aggressive player, choose a fast, damage-heavy operator. If you want a defensive player, go for the shield or healing types. For sniper style, you can go ahead and choose a long-range or stealth-focused character. After you select the character you'd like to use, click on the favorite button at the bottom right. And now if you get back to your lobby, you'll see your new character or operator. Now you can try the character in your next match, and that's how you know how you can choose a character in Blood Strike. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.